Hey guys, I'm really excited to introduce to you a new community out here in Coachella Valley. It's called Heritage Palms Country Club. As you can see, it's one of the few homes that's actually both on the golf course as well as this beautiful lake view. And you see the Indian Hills in the background there. Let's go take a look on the inside. So if you can imagine yourself hanging out here with family and friends, just relaxing and enjoying this life, call me, text me, 949-441-9918. Aloha.